Hey everyone, John Corey here, McClinton Chevrolet Mitsubishi. We know a lot of you are stuck at home right now, and with everything that's going on with social distancing and our stay-at-home orders, we realize that a lot of you are still in the market for a vehicle, but you can't make it to the lot to make that purchase. Not a problem with McClinton Chevrolet. This week we introduced a new feature called Shop Click Drive. It's super fun, super cool, and you can complete the entire purchase of your vehicle from start to finish. So today I'm going to show you how to use that. First step, easy. Go to McClintonChevy.com right there, and let's find you a new Chevrolet to buy. We have some specials right now on the 2020 Equinox, the 2020 Trax, and the 2020 Silverado. Not to mention all the 2019s right now are 0% for 84 months, and you can select up to 4 months to pay that. So no payments for 120 days. Let's find something new and exciting to buy. First of all, let's go over to new, and let's find one of those vehicles that qualifies for this special. You know, I like the Blazer a lot, so let's find out if we have any 2019s available. And we scroll down here, look at our inventory. Ooh, we do, and this red one's speaking to me. Let's choose that one. I'm sorry, it's Cajun Red Tinko. I get in trouble if I say it's just red. So that's a really unique option here. It's the 2019. You see it come up here. It's pretty much like any other website. You've got the price, you've got the features, you've got the options as far as financing goes, and that's great. And there's a standard payment calculator down here, but that doesn't really take it up to the next level like Shop Click Drive does. When you find any vehicle that you want to pursue further, you'll see a little button down here called Start the Buying Process right there. Just click on that, and you'll notice that the entire page is going to change now. This is still part of our website, but it's taking you to a different window because it's a lot more advanced than your traditional website listing for a vehicle. So you notice right here you have just your finance option, $7.79 a month, cash option. Well, let's scroll down here and oh wait a minute, we can choose that 0% offer because this is a 2019 vehicle. Right away, everything changes. Our payments went down quite a bit. We're looking at $597.15 a month, and there's the estimated total price of the vehicle. For those of you who don't know, with these GMF offers, it's either or. Either you get the finance offer or you get the rebate. So with this option, we're going to go with the 0% for 84 months with the 4-month deferment. And okay, that's cool, but let's kick it up a notch. First of all, over here you can see everything. You can see what the title fees are. You can see what the taxes are on this vehicle. All of that fun stuff. Here's what's really cool. Let's say you want to put some money down on the vehicle. All you have to do is just come over here, put in. Let's say we're going to put $3,000 down. Hit apply. That changes your payment. That changes the overall cost of the vehicle. But wait, that's still pretty standard. You can do that on most payment calculators. What if you want to value the trade of your current vehicle? Well, let's do that real quick. Let's go to this Kelly Blue Book option and evaluate our trade-in. Super simple. All you have to do is go over here to where it says Start Your Estimate. Click on that. Let's use my personal vehicle. I have a 2018 Mitsubishi. Let's scroll down here. And I'm using a laptop, but you can actually do this from your phone, your tablet, whatever you want. But I'm using my laptop here. It's a little bit easier. Outlander Sport. Let's check my trim level. It is an ES 2.0. Mileage, I think I just hit 31,000 miles. You can be a little more accurate than that, but just for the sake of today, I'm just putting 31,000 in. VIN number, I don't have that on readily available right now. You don't have to put that in at this point. If you were going to complete the sale process, I would suggest it, but if you're just playing around, you do not need a VIN number. All right, and then am I still making payments on the vehicle? Let's just say hypothetically I still owe $9,000 on this vehicle. I hit that and then hit next. Then you can add in if you have any accessories on the vehicle. For instance, let's say if you added a grill guard or whatever, or if you have like a keyless start, something like that, you can add that in. I'm not going to. Mine's still stock. You hit next, and then it's going to evaluate what is your current condition of the vehicle. Everyone wants to put excellent. Trust me, unless you you bought your car and put it in your garage, it's not going to fall into the excellent condition. Then most vehicles, especially mine that's only 2 years old, will either fall into the good or very good. My tires are about half tread right now, so I'm going to put mine at the good level. Of course, they give you different explanations of what each parameter is, but for the sake of this, I'm just going to put good. And then I'm going to hit next. And then it's estimating that my 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport is worth $10,572. And it's going to put all that over here into this system. Actually, I'm sorry, you have to hit, this catches me up every time. First of all, click that you would like to discuss your estimate with the dealer. And then hit I acknowledge the trade-in value and will be determined at a later time. Essentially, this is a ballpark estimate that they're giving you. We have to see the vehicle in person still, regardless if we do that at your house or down the road if you come into our dealership. We have to evaluate that in person. Give you your final trade-in value. It could be more than you put it. You might put it as poor condition, and the vehicle is actually very good condition. So just be aware that that is something that has to still be determined in person, but they will give you your estimate. So I hit use your KBB estimate. It shows over here as a brief summary. It's valued at $10,572, and I owe $9,000 on it. So it's going to put that in there. And then you hit return to your deal. Simple. All right, and you're showing here now that my trade-in value is in there and how much I owe, and our payment just went down to $542 a month. It's getting better and better each time. So that would be an okay place to stop, but you know what? A lot of people, especially Chevy owners, like to accessorize their vehicles. Don't blame me one bit. You can actually add that in to your financing here, and you can see what different items cost. So let's just play around with that real quick. There's some pretty cool stuff on the Blazer, but let's look at the exterior. What exterior options do we have? It's going to take us a second here to load. I have to have those decals. We've actually had a few of the Blazers in stock with these decals on it. If I'm fantasy shopping, I'm definitely getting one of those cool side decals on it. So let's do that. We just added the accessory. You know what? I want one of these cool license plate frames too. Let's add that also. Boom, there you go. And it's showing you how much these cost on the right-hand side. If you wanted a grill guard, if you wanted like running boards, especially for our truck owners, if you wanted any of those cool accessories, we'll put that on here. We can have that delivered to your home with the accessories installed. And you hit return to your deal. Once again, our price just went up a little bit because we added some accessories. But you'll see over here on the side, we got the decals and the license plate frame. And then, once again, everything's pretty much there. Your taxes, your fees, all that fun stuff is included. One neat thing here also is that it includes just random information that you might need to know, like the warranty. 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all Chevrolet products that are new. 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper to bumper. Sorry, 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty is included there also. Corrosion warranty. It pretty much says everything. Even roadside assistance is included there, which I like quite a bit. All right, so that's pretty much ready to be built. McClinton Chevrolet has the Blazer I want. I have the payment I like, and we're going to hit start buying process now. At this point, you'll put in your name, your address, your email, your zip code, all that fun stuff, your phone number, and then you proceed. Now, at this point, I'm going to stop because I'm not actually going to buy this vehicle. But there's also a part for a credit application. There's also a place for you to upload your driver's license, your proof of insurance, and you can even schedule delivery for your vehicle. That's a great feature because you don't have to come in person to pick this up. You can schedule delivery. We'll deliver it within 50 miles of the dealership. We'll bring it to your home. We know a lot of people are concerned about social distancing right now. We'll take all the necessary precautions to make sure that your vehicle is sanitized when we hand it off to you. But it's a great feature. Get a chance, check this out, play with it a little bit. I'm always been a big car person, and even I'm kind of excited about how much you can do with this as an employee. So if you have any questions, comment below. We'll be happy to answer those for you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we look forward to seeing you all in person real soon, hopefully.